Today we talk about how can you find short box on your Goodnovel app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on shorts down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then here we find best short stories. Here can you read in this list? So this is all this box here, it's short box. Can you just click on it? So then it's going to show for you like this here. Then can you read this short box here in this list on your Goodnovel app? So that's all you have to do to find this list here on your Goodnovel app. I'm going to exit here from this book. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.